Did you recently read my article on designing your own check? Now, do you want to know how to cash it out? This tutorial explains the popular method called Mobile Deposit, MD. First, let's clarify what Mobile Deposit is. It's a service offered by most banks in the US. Customers can deposit a paper check using their bank app via a mobile device. To successfully use this method, you'll need some tools. Make sure to download the bank app of the client's bank. Have your check sample design ready, along with the client's bank account details and online access. Don't forget a good VPN or SOCKS 5 for anonymity. Now, let's proceed with the mobile deposit steps. Start by connecting your VPN or SOCKS 5 to the client's IP address. Check your IP with Whoer.net to ensure it's not exposing your location. Next, log in to the client's bank account. Locate the transaction history section and note the highest transaction. For example, if it's $5,000, aim to deposit a lesser amount between $3,000 and $4,000 to avoid triggering bank security. Once again, confirm your connection with the VPN and check your anonymity. Now, download the bank app of the client's bank. Let's say the bank is Citibank. You can find the Citibank app on the App Store or Play Store. After installing the app, log in to the Whitehead's bank account. Look for the Deposit Check button and click on it. Proceed to enter the lesser amount you noted earlier. Take a photo of the front and back of your designed check. Once done, click the Submit button. In conclusion, this method is for checks printed on paper. We managed to load a bank account using a check designed with information obtained from a spammer. This is what we refer to as Mobile Deposit, MD. Remember, you can use a single check to load any bank account. Whether it's Wells Fargo, BOA, Chase, or PNC, it works across different banks. If you're wondering where to obtain bank logs, I recommend purchasing records from escrow groups on WhatsApp instead of Telegram. Now you're ready to use Mobile Deposit effectively.